What's up, graphic designers? I'm super excited about today's class. We're going to continue making GIFs. We're going to be animating in Photoshop using lots of cool layers. And in a minute, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I produced this particular visual, and I'm going to talk about how to upload it. Right now, however, we're going to return to this page. So this is a fun website, Giphy. You're going to want to make an account. You're going to want to upload the GIF that you create in class. And then ultimately, you're going to paste it into this Google Doc. That way I can evaluate it and validate your hard work, and that way everyone else can actually also see the quality work that you're producing. So how are we going to add it to this doc? You're going to find an image, you're going to click share, we're going to click copy GIF link. That makes sense. I'm going to return to that doc, and we're going to click on insert image, and then we're not uploading, we're not going to drive. Instead, we're going to insert it from the URL. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Gabby. We're going to press Command V to paste in the URL. We're going to hold on a moment. We're going to wait, and there we go. We can insert it. And then here's what I know. This was, and actually here's what else we want to do. We're going to press Command V one more time, just so I have access to that link, so I can maybe share it in other venues, other platforms. And then who is it by? This one's going to be by Drozd and Sawyer. We got a nice little collaboration there. Great. And so I'm going to add another one in just a moment. So this is what I created. Let's take a look at it. So here we have Josh, a 9th grader, hitting a shot from outside. And we're going to show that. We're going to take a look at this one more time. And then I have a question for you. How many layers are there in this video? Think about it. How many layers are there? Okay, let's watch it one more time just to see if you guys are right. All right, you said 6. I think there is 6. Let's verify in Photoshop. We're going to trust but verify. So I'm going to shrink this down just a tad, and I can see that we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers indeed. And I'm going to scrub to the very beginning, and so you'll notice that the sort of introduction of some of these layers are staggered. So the only layer that takes up the entire approximately 5 seconds is the video excerpt from this pickup lunchtime basketball game, and then Josh is the vast majority of it. And actually, we'll press play here, and you can see that as it's scrubbing along, Josh appears, and then we got a little arrow to indicate who Josh in fact is. And then in a moment, we're going to reveal his title, his moniker. He's a 3-point specialist, and at that very moment we got the flames or the flickers, and we got that explosion happening like mere moments before it I was gonna say hits the rim, makes the shot. Nothing but net. Well done. Josh is on fire. How exactly did I do this? Well, one of the things we're going to be talking about in this class is assets, and so like, where can you find cool resources? We're going to go to YouTube. You're going to find something that you think looks pretty cool, and fireball explosion on black background. That sounds kind of cool. Realistic dust explosion. This is awesome. So let's see what happens. All right. So I like this, and why not? I'm gonna pause it, and once again I'm gonna press Command Shift 5 to record a screen, and we'll just record just this section. We're going to press record. It's gonna start recording in 5 seconds, in 2 seconds, in 1 second. I'm gonna press play. That looks pretty amazing. I'm gonna press pause. I'm gonna press Command Shift 5. We're gonna stop the recording. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna press done, and then it's gonna appear on your desktop. And just like in our last class, what we can do is we can edit it, and you'll recall that you're gonna open it up in probably QuickTime. You can press Command T, and we can sort of trim it down just a tad. But right there, I'm going to press trim. We're going to save, and we'll just call this colorful explosion. That makes sense. We're going to press save. That's awesome. Finished. And so now what can we do? We're going to go to Photoshop, and let's say hypothetically, I don't want it in this one, but if we did want to embed in here, what we would want to do is I'm actually going to click on this top layer. We're going to click layer. We're going to click video layer, and then new video layer from file, and we got that colorful explosion, and we'll pop it in. Let's say we're popping it in Right here, we can obviously change the size. We're going to need to convert it. Press Command T, press check to confirm. I'm going to press V, hold Shift, plus, 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 cycling through the blending modes until we see something that looks kind of cool. Okay. And I don't see a particular blending mode that I love right now, and that's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click here. I'm going to return the playhead up a few seconds, press play, spacebar, and it's scrubbing through. We don't want that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. We're back to 6 layers. We'll recall to export. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Export, and then we're going to go to Render Video. So we already did that. Here's what I know. To pop it onto, not a geometry regions prep, but to pop it onto this Giphy website, what are you going to need to do? Great question. You're going to click Upload. We're going to choose the file. And this video file, it's called Josh 3 Point. It's an MP4 file. It's a video file. We're going to continue to upload. It's 4 seconds. We're uploading. The visibility is public, and that's fine. And should be just about done. There we go. And there he is, syncing that outside shot. That's pretty awesome. So we're going to click Share. Copy GIF link. We're going to return to the dock. We're going to press Command. Actually, we're not going to press Command V yet. We're going to click Insert Table by URL. Thanks, guys. Command V. We're going to insert it. Whoa. I'm going to press Enter. Command V one more time. By Drozd and Josh. You should get a little bit of credit right there, right? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I cannot wait to see this doc filled up with your work. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.